The Pro Seller Dashboard in Seller Center helps you monitor performance, track tier status, and identify opportunities to unlock valuable rewards. Let's go over how to use it. Right away, you'll find AI-powered insights that highlight important performance updates, potential tier changes, and recommended actions you can take to strengthen your Pro Seller status. Next, you'll find the default Overview tab, which provides a snapshot of your Pro Seller status. Here, you can review your previous tier history, current tier, badge achievement date, upcoming refresh cycle, active selling days, and recent order volume. Pro Seller status is evaluated during refresh cycles on the 5th and 20th of each month, making this a useful place to track your progress. You'll also see how many qualification criteria you've currently met toward the next tier. To better understand how your performance impacts tier eligibility, select View Metrics to review the criteria associated with each Pro Seller tier. This will direct you to the Pro Seller Metrics section, where you can monitor the key performance metrics that influence your Pro Seller status and identify areas that may need attention before the next refresh cycle. These metrics play an important role in determining your Pro Seller tier. You'll also see the performance thresholds required for each Pro Seller tier, helping you quickly identify where improvements may be needed. To review this information in more detail or analyze it offline, select Download Report. As you improve these metrics and advance through Pro Seller tiers, you may unlock additional benefits and incentives. You can check out your available or upcoming rewards in the Your Rewards section. Rewards vary by tier and may include benefits such as faster payouts, ship with Walmart discounts, pro listings discounts, advertising credits, and more. Select any reward tile to learn more about the benefit and how to take advantage of it. Next, let's review your Pro Listing offers. Here, you'll find a list of offers that may be eligible to earn up to 10% in referral fee discounts through the Pro Listings reward, which is available to advanced seller and Pro Seller tiers. Offers with competitive pricing and fast, free shipping in 2 days or less can qualify for Pro Listing savings. This list highlights offers currently receiving Pro Listing savings and offers that are eligible but are missing one or more requirements. You can search, use filters, or customize the columns to quickly find what you're looking for. If one of your offers is missing the criteria, you can quickly make updates by selecting the 3-dot menu in the Action column and choose either Edit Price or Edit Shipping. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate the Pro Seller Dashboard to monitor performance, track your tier status, and identify opportunities to earn additional rewards and savings. Don't forget to watch our other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.